Hey guys, it's me, Ali, and today I am showing you this. Now, I got this for Christmas, but I've seen that, if you know Summer Swan, she has the same one as this, but I liked her video, and so I decided to show you guys my one. And ours is exactly the same, I think, because she's got her pattern on the wing. I think the only difference is that her one's got purple feet and mine has got pink. But yeah, as you can see, look, here is a button. Did you hear that? Hi, hello, how are you?
Hi, hello, how are you?
And the beak moves. And if you do this, if you shake it, it will sing a song. And as you can see, this one also has like a little pink thing on its eye. And it's got a little hole. And this looks like plastic, but really it's not, it's fabric. It's fabric. And yeah, you can get cages for them, and like you can just put them on your hand and you can stroke them. And that I'll show you my cage for it, because I did get a cage. Here is my cage. This is my cage. Now, I also got this for Christmas to go with this. And her name is Beauty, because I think she looks like a beauty. And this is her cage. It has a purple lid. And if you don't know what these are called LittleLivePets, because they're lively. And you can get, I think, turtles. I think you can get cats, but I'm not sure, and dogs. I'm not sure though. But you can definitely get birds and that. So this is the back. It has a blue back and it's glass, and then here are bars. And it has a little door, and it opens. Shh, shut up. And this is the inside. It has a little swing, and it has some food. I'll try to show you the food. There's a food, and you put them in like this. So, can't do it on camera. So these two back feet go in. Okay, so this is what it looks like with Beauty in the swing. And then this is the one where she's like that. and they fall day. They are quite fun. It's good to have them in your room or wherever and just sit there and play with them. So, let me say something else. Hi, I like my cage. I am recording. I like YouTube. I like YouTube. I am called Beauty. I am called Beauty. Okay, so that's what they do. You stroke them, they play a little sound sometimes. And they do say their own thing sometimes. And there's no, actually there is an off button. But you can't wash these with water because it's got electric in. So it'll just break the toy and that. And it has these and an off button. But you can actually wash them with a little brush. If they do get dirty, then you can just get a little finger brush, not with water on, just brush them carefully, and then they do it. So that is what I'm showing you today. I might do another video some point today, but I might not, so yeah. Also, it's a Saturday, yay. So yeah. If you have one of these birds, comment down below what yours called, what colours, when did you get it, and all that stuff. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!